Today we are at the California Academy of Science, and this might be one of the museums you want to visit when you come to San Francisco. So let's go in and I will show you the entire experience. Here with Fun for Life, helping you discover the best travel destinations and experiences to pamper yourself and unwind from everyday stress. And on this channel, I share travel tips and activities just like this one. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. The California Academy of Sciences is located at the Golden Gate Park. The major exhibits include a planetarium, an indoor rainforest, an aquarium, and the Natural History Museum. As you walk in, you'll find the African Hall, where you can explore the human evolution, fossils of early human ancestors, along with all the beauty of the African wildlife and landscapes. As you enter the hall, you will find a 25,000-gallon tank with a colony of African penguins, which is part of a species survival plan, and it's super cute to interact with them. The next hall is Giants of Land and Sea. Here you'll find interesting interactive experiences like an earthquake simulator. But what will immediately get your attention is this huge marine mammal collection with over 135,000 specimens. It is one of the largest collections in the world. Now let's move into the aquarium. As you will go in, you will see the swamp, which is home of this famous white alligator, and also has other tanks with turtles, snakes, and other reptiles. This is one of the most biologically diverse and interactive aquariums on Earth. Home of nearly 40,000 live animals, representing more than 900 unique species, you will certainly be amazed by these underwater habitats. The Academy has different programs for sustaining our oceans. From restoring coral reef ecosystems to reducing single-use plastics, the aquarium biologists and marine scientists work to protect the ocean animals and their habitats. Alright, so there are three main exhibits that you need reservation and you don't want to miss. So the first one is the Rainforest of the world. Okay, so when you go inside the Rainforest exhibition, you actually get to experience a living rainforest, and there's flying butterflies all over, which is so nice to live and watch. Wow! How beautiful! There's bats in there. Oh my god. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Look at it.
What?
Look at that.
Yeah, I think it's a model.
Look, everything here is real. Uh-oh. They're there, look. Wow. Look at that huge one right there.
Oh, no.
Yes. Wow. That's so cool. Wow. All right, and then the second show that you really cannot miss is the Planetarium. We just got out. They show you how the different observatories work. Some of them are in Chile, so they take you all the way there. They show you how everything works. They interview some of the people that work there that have different jobs, and they explain how everything works. So it was such an amazing experience. You need a reservation for this, so make sure you get that ahead of time because it's very hard to get it once you arrive to the museum. And yeah, super recommended. Don't miss it. They have a tooth of the megalodon there. So cool. If you're wondering where to get tickets, you can use the links in the description below. Wow. I've never done this, but I can't imagine being inside of one of these. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified on more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.